Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
All right, hope everyone has had a great weekend. Happy Father's Day. We are kicking off today's video with another watch list for day and swing trades. I've got about 5 on my watch list. A lot of stocks pretty bearish right now after the sell-off Friday, but I'm especially looking at AMD. That is one I'm currently in a trade on. Even though the market sold off pretty far on Friday, we still held a small gain on AMD, so that is looking really strong, especially if the market is up on this coming Monday. New support after we broke past this resistance here, so we're resting right on that new support. We have heavy volume. We are above our moving averages, so we are looking to make a run up to around the $88 to $89 range on AMD. Next one on the watch list I have for you was one we had last week. We're still stuck in a channel right now, but we are looking at Peloton still. As you can see here, I've wrote on my screen, consolidating channel, look for the breakout. The thing with channels are they could always break to the bottom or break to the top. You don't want to just jump in this trade. They will bounce around in this channel for some time. I do not recommend getting into trades that are in these channels because they will burn up your options trades. We're trying to pick up some volume. Because we have pretty low volume, I think if we can get a couple good days in the market and an uptick in volume, we could break out of this channel. Third one on the watch list is Airbnb. We had this trend break back a couple weeks ago. We pulled it back to the 20, tried to make a run. We're sitting here at a double top, so we're looking to break above that. The 9 EMA is kind of flat, so we need to keep an eye on this. We don't just want to jump into this trade, but if we can break out of this double top, but it's looking pretty solid right now. We've got some heavy volume. This is key, volume and price trades, so keep an eye out on those. PayPal is the next one on our watch list. It's made a nice run the last couple of days, especially on Thursday and Friday. Even with the market being down so far on Friday, we bounced off this 9 EMA, which is a pattern that we look for. Heavy volume, stochastics crossing over, RSI looking good. We could look for a continuation trade on PYPL this coming week. I'm keeping an eye on Twitter. It's starting to shape up a little bit. I've put it on my watch list, but it's not one that I'm in a hurry to go and trade. We're consolidating right here, but we're resting right on this 9 EMA. The volume is picking up, stochastics crossing over. But like I said, you don't want to get stuck in these stocks that are trading sideways, because if you enter options, it will just grind your options straight away. So we really need to make a move on this stock before we enter a trade. But it's one to put on the watch list. The last one I have on the watch list for you is Zillow. Started to make a run Friday, heavy volume. We're coming into a little bit of supply, but I think we could get up to the supply area of 120. So we still got a few dollars that can be traded before we get there. If we break out above this supply and make new support over top of 120 range, then I think we could make another big run to the upside. That is all I have for you on today's watch list. Like I said, I hope you had a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we are almost to 250 subscribers. At 500 subscribers, we will be giving away a free pair of AirPods.